folks, Valerie here from Steet Ponte Ford Lincoln, and I'm here to show you our favorite family vehicle. This is our 2025 Lincoln Aviator, and let's show you all the great features that it has to offer. So on this 2025 Lincoln Aviator, I love all the room I have back here. Even when the seats are folded up or down, I have lots of room. Being a sports mom, it's very important that I cannot forget any equipment for any one of my son's sports. So back here in the second row, we do have the captain's chairs, and in between the captain's chairs, we do have their own center console. We also have a touch screen, which will allow your passengers back here to change the radio, climate control, as well as heated and cooled seats for their comfort. So come on down to Steet Ponte Lincoln and take a test drive with us and find out what your favorite family features are.